enhancing timing drive system performance and sustainability. Automotive brands are leveraging timing drive systems that reduce CO2 emissions by improving engine efficiency. Key timing drive system components, including timing chain guides and support arms, need to be made from materials offering excellent wear and friction behavior to optimize engine performance. Parts manufacturers often add polytetrafluoroethylene micropowders to polymers to improve the material's friction and wear properties. However, some PTFE manufacturing processes produce PFAS, including PFOA. These substances are linked to serious health risks and easily contaminate drinking water and wild fish. As a result, more regulatory bodies have banned materials that contain PFOA. As you need to support a material for years after production begins, using polymers containing trace amounts of PFOA is risky. You may be forced to switch to a new version of the material that requires lengthy and expensive production part approval processes. DSM Stanyl PA46 product line provides an award-winning timing drive system material solution with PFOA levels well below detectable limits. We provide all our customers with letters of conformity, certifying the material's compliance with global PTFE regulations. Due to its outstanding wear and friction performance, Stanyl is ideal for under-the-hood applications. Compared to competing PA66 solutions, Stanyl provides a 10 to 20% lower coefficient of friction in chain guides, enabling manufacturers to reduce CO2 emissions by up to 1 gram per kilometre. In support arms, Stanyl offers excellent stiffness and fatigue resistance, as well as significant part cost savings, since final parts can be made lighter without compromising durability. And Stanyl HDR3W, our new bio-based mass-balanced solution, drives greater fuel savings by offering even lower friction properties and better torque loss reduction compared to previous grades. Today, Stanyl is used in timing chain systems applied to 50% of newly built cars. Our global services teams also provide comprehensive material, design and application expertise to help you exceed OEM's expectations and exceed goals to reduce CO2 emissions. Contact us today to learn more.